I now give you a function. So forget about that now. I now give you a graph. Okay? Let's put a graph here and let's take a random graph. I tell you that is -4, this is 1, and that is 2. Okay, I tell you this is graph f. And I tell you that f of x is given by, x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus c. You need to find a, b, c. Basically, for 6 marks, what are they asking you? They want the equation of the graph. Okay, you know you've seen this. Now you get 2 scenarios, guys, only 2. You get one where 3x, remember when we did functions and we did parabola in our previous episodes, we said that if 3x, we had 2 scenarios. We had one where x-intercepts were given and one where turning points were given. This is exactly the same what's going to happen here. When x-intercepts are given for the cubic function and where turning points are given for the cubic function. Okay, so let's get started. We now need to find out what is the equation of this graph. So that's your question in your answer. What's given? Are my turning points given? No. What's given? My x-intercepts. Good. So now we just say f of x is equal to x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3. x1, x2, x3. So this is equal to x minus 4 plus 4 into x minus 1 into x minus 2, remove the brackets, we're now going to get x plus 4 into, multiply this out, you can FOIL it, x squared minus 1 minus 2 minus 3x plus 2, and now first times all, second times all, collect your like terms. So x times x squared, x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x plus 4x squared minus 12x plus 8. Collect your like terms, x cubed minus 3 plus 4 is plus 1x squared, 2 minus 12 minus 10x plus 8. That's A, that's B, that's C. So A is equal to 1, B is equal to negative 10, and C is equal to 8. So although they didn't give you the C value, they could have asked you also to give the coordinates of D, X, and Y. So obviously, where are you going to get D, X, and Y? X value here is 0. Where do you get its Y value from? You're going to take its Y value from there, the Q value. Okay, so let's just go that way. That's your Q value or that's your C value. And there we go. So obviously this here would be 8. Okay, so all we do, we plug in all those values, remove all the brackets, collect all your like terms, and you will get your final equation. F of x is equal to that. Now comes another scenario. This is just if 3x intercepts were given. What if 3x intercepts and a point was given? Okay, this is worst case scenario in this type. So let's see what happens there. So now I give you 3x intercepts and a point. So now we go here, give you a graph like this. I tell you that is minus negative 3, that is 1, that is 2, and I give you the point here P, 4, and 6. Now I tell you this equation is given by f of x is equal to ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. Find a, b, c, d. So now we know that there is a coefficient in front of x cubed. Why is there a coefficient? Because another point is given. So now we cannot go and use that formula, that same formula. So in our answer, so this is the question. In our answer, we now say f of x or y, let's start with y, is equal to a into x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3, right? We're now solving for a. There's x, there's y. There's x, there's y. Here are all your intercepts. We're going to cut for an ad break now, boys and girls. I want you now to try. You got 3 minutes to try it. Find your value of a. Take a, plug it back into your original equation, expand and collect all your like terms, and let's see whether your calculations match up with ours at the end after the ad break. Okay, boys and girls, please make sure that you understand all these processes. If you need more intensive training on it, please make sure that you purchase our set here. We've got a complete 12-disc set that covers the entire grade 11 and 12 syllabus comprehensively. Okay, the price and the product and our email address, everything is on screen. Please make sure you call in or you send us an email.